Peter Piper's Practical Principles of Plain and Perfect Pronunciation, a Project Gutenberg original, 1836. Andrew Airpump asked his aunt her ailment. Did Andrew Airpump ask his aunt her ailment? If Andrew Airpump asked his aunt her ailment, where was the ailment of Andrew Airpump's aunt? Billy Button bought a buttered biscuit. Did Billy Button buy a buttered biscuit? If Billy Button bought a buttered biscuit, where's the buttered biscuit Billy Button bought? Captain Crackskull cracked a catchpole's coxcomb. Did Captain Crackskull crack a catchpole's coxcomb? If Captain Crackskull cracked a catchpole's coxcomb, where's the catchpole's coxcomb Captain Crackskull cracked? Davy Doldrum dreamed he drove a dragon. Did Davy Doldrum dream he drove a dragon? If Davy Doldrum dreamed he drove a dragon, where's the dragon Davy Doldrum dreamed he drove? Enoch Elkrig ate an empty eggshell. Did Enoch Elkrig eat an empty eggshell? If Enoch Elkrig ate an empty eggshell, where's the empty eggshell Enoch Elkrig ate? Francis Fribble figured on a Frenchman's filly. Did Francis Fribble figure on a Frenchman's filly? If Francis Fribble figured on a Frenchman's filly, where's the Frenchman's filly Francis Fribble figured on? Gaffer Gilpin got a goose and gander. Did Gaffer Gilpin get a goose and gander? If Gaffer Gilpin got a goose and gander, where's the goose and gander Gaffer Gilpin got? Humphrey Hunchback had 100 hedgehogs. Did Humphrey Hunchback have 100 hedgehogs? If Humphrey Hunchback had 100 hedgehogs, where's the 100 hedgehogs Humphrey Hunchback had? Inigo Impey itched for an Indian image. Did Inigo Impey itch for an Indian image? If Inigo Impey itched for an Indian image, where's the Indian image Inigo Impey itched for? Jumping Jackie jeered a jesting juggler. Did Jumping Jackie jeer a jesting juggler? If Jumping Jackie jeered a jesting juggler, where's the jesting juggler Jumping Jackie jeered? Kimbo Kemble kicked his kinsman's kettle. Did Kimbo Kemble kick his kinsman's kettle? If Kimbo Kemble kicked his kinsman's kettle, where's the kinsman's kettle Kimbo Kemble kicked? Lanky Lawrence lost his lass and lobster. Did Lanky Lawrence lose his lass and lobster? If Lanky Lawrence lost his lass and lobster, where are the lass and lobster Lanky Lawrence lost? Matthew Mendlegs missed a mangled monkey. Did Matthew Mendlegs miss a mangled monkey? If Matthew Mendlegs missed a mangled monkey, where's the mangled monkey Matthew Mendlegs missed? Neddy Noodle nipped his neighbor's nutmegs. Did Neddy Noodle nip his neighbor's nutmegs? If Neddy Noodle nipped his neighbor's nutmegs, where are the neighbor's nutmegs Neddy Noodle nipped? Oliver Oglethorpe ogled an owl and oyster. Did Oliver Oglethorpe ogle an owl and oyster? If Oliver Oglethorpe ogled an owl and oyster, where are the owl and oyster Oliver Oglethorpe ogled? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Quixote Quicksight quizzed a queerish quidbox. Did Quixote Quicksight quiz a queerish quidbox? If Quixote Quicksight quizzed a queerish quidbox, where's the queerish quidbox Quixote Quicksight quizzed? Rory Rumpus rode a raw-boned racehorse. Did Rory Rumpus ride a raw-boned racehorse? If Rory Rumpus rode a raw-boned racehorse, where's the raw-boned racehorse Rory Rumpus rode? Sammy Smelly smelt a smell of small coal. Did Sammy Smelly smell a smelt of small coal? If Sammy Smelly smelt a smell of small coal, where's the smell of small coal Sammy Smelly smelt? Tiptoe Tommy turned a Turk for 2 pence. Did Tiptoe Tommy turn a Turk for 2p? If Tiptoe Tommy turned a Turk for 2p, where's the Turk for 2p Tiptoe Tommy turned? Uncle's usher urged an ugly urchin. Did Uncle's usher urge an ugly urchin? If Uncle's usher urged an ugly urchin, where's the ugly urchin Uncle's usher urged? William Veeden viped his vig and waistcoat. Did William Veeden vipe his vig and waistcoat? If William Veeden viped his vig and waistcoat, where are the vig and waistcoat William Veeden viped? Walter Waddle won a walking wager. Did Walter Waddle win a walking wager? If Walter Waddle won a walking wager, where's the walking wager Walter Waddle won? X, Y, and Z have made my brains to cracko. X smokes, Y snuffs, and Z chews tobacco. Yet oft by X, Y, Z much learning's taught. But Peter Piper beats them all to naught. The end.